Welcome to Kirby's Tractor Adventures. Hi all, thanks for joining me.
Today, I need to use my backhoe, but it has been a while since I last used it, and it has bled down, and I'm out of practice hooking it up. To start, I'm removing the receiver from my hitch, that you can see my install video about. I'll link in the top corner. The receiver itself is not in the way for connecting the backhoe. I thought it would be useful to show you all how to hook it up and see how long it takes a novice like myself to do it. I will only fast forward the parts where I was moving the camera around. The next step is the one I find the hardest. You need to perfectly square up the tractor with the backhoe, as there is only about 1/8 of an inch of forgiveness here. It takes me a few too many tries to get it just right. This time I think I did pretty well, but feel free to skip ahead to where I get it lined up. Now before I disconnect or connect anything, I always make sure there is not any pressure left in the system. So I actuated the joystick completely while the tractor is off. The trick for reconnecting the backhoe is to not let it get baked in the sun, which will cause the hydraulic pressure to build up, making the connections nearly impossible to disconnect or connect. I find mornings work best until my shed is built. Next, use the power of the boom to slowly teeter the backhoe's pins into its mating support hook in the frame. Now we can use the large upper pins to lock it into place. When it is all lined up, it'll just slide right in, just like that. Then secure the pin by sliding the pin's lock into the backhoe frame. Then repeat on the other side. Did I really think it would go that easy? It is out by just a hair or two. So you can either use the boom or side outrigger to slightly adjust it up and down until the pin will slide in. I am holding the camera with my hand, so it took me a few tries to get it just right. At least that's the excuse I'm going with. There, it is now locked in place. Now these 5/8 pins do not come with the tractor or backhoe. I picked these up from Princess Auto. I use them to prevent the backhoe outriggers from bleeding down by giving them something to rest on. I don't know if they are approved to be used here, but it works for me. Next step is to raise the outriggers until they lock into place. And again, do the same on the other side. To remove the 5/8 pin, apparently the third time's a charm, you'll see me pull on the pin 3 times to get it out. All I needed to do was lift the tractor up by extending the outrigger to get the pressure off the pin, but I guess my brain was not firing on all cylinders. Now that the pin is out, I can raise the outrigger until it locks into place. Then raise the boom and tuck in the bucket. Don't forget to lock in the boom as well, or you'll find it back on the ground in the morning. Not that I might be speaking from past experience. Another thing not to forget is to put the pins you removed somewhere you might find them again. I keep mine in the front toolbox when not in use. You can see me install this toolbox in an earlier video. Just another tip here. I changed the position of the hydraulic hoses to the backhoe so the one that's going up is on the outside and holds the other one away from rubbing on the tractor tire. Well, there you have it. It took under 10 minutes. I say that went fairly well.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to be notified of my future videos.